In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email in Gmail. If you're new to using Gmail or simply need a quick refresher on how to manage your inbox more effectively, you're in the right place. We'll go through this straightforward process step by step to ensure that you can respond to emails with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Simply type gmail.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll need to log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Enter your email address and password, ensuring that everything is typed correctly to avoid any login issues. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail main page where you can see your inbox filled with emails. Locate the email that you'd like to respond to. It should be somewhere in your list of emails, so scroll through until you find it. Once you've spotted the email, click on it to open it. This will display the entire content of the message, allowing you to review the sender's email before drafting your reply. At the bottom of the opened email, you'll find the reply button. Clicking this button will open a new text box directly below the original email where you can type your response. Before you start typing, take a moment to consider what you want to say in your reply. It's always good practice to be clear and concise, ensuring that your message is easy to understand. Now click into the text box and start typing your reply. This is your chance to address any questions, comments, or concerns the original sender might have raised. Remember to maintain a professional tone and try to address all the points mentioned in the original email. When you're satisfied with the content of your response, double-check your message for spelling and grammatical errors. It's important to present polished and professional communication. Once you're sure that everything looks good, navigate over to the Send button, which you'll find at the bottom of the reply box. Clicking Send will instantly deliver your message back to the original sender. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to an email in Gmail. Remember, timely and clear communication can make a big difference, whether you're dealing with personal emails or professional correspondence. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to becoming a more efficient and effective email user. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this video or pause at any point if you need a bit more time with each step. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your digital life. See you next time.